Characteristics of CFCs, HCFCs, make them more likely to reach the stratosphere than most other compounds containing chlorine. So they are not they do not dissolve in water or easily break down in the stratosphere. They are lighter than other chlorine compounds, making it easier for them to reach the stratosphere. When released, they are stored under pressure, causing them to jet upward. When released, they are attached to ultraviolet radiation. And the answer for number 6 is they do not dissolve in water or easily break down in the atmosphere.